Kevin and Haley bought this house when they had just started their family. And since then, the family has expanded and the house feels tighter than ever.
This was not supposed to be our forever home.
We really like where we live. It's close to our shul. The kids have friends here. We have friends here.
This area is so packed. There is just no room for all of us to get ready and get out the door. We have a kitchen that's not functional at all. We have a kosher kitchen, so one side of our kitchen is for dairy, one side of our kitchen is for meat. This is not enough space.
That can all be fixed. I wouldn't have even designed it this way myself if I was going to do it. So surely someone else will have a better idea than that.
After you. I don't mind semis, but the main issue for me is the lack of windows.
The main thing for me is the lack of space.
Front hall closet?
I think I might want to just get rid of that.
Oh. It's the pantry. You can't get rid of it.
I'll give them a better pantry. I mean, I don't know where you can expand this house.
It's not the smallest backyard I've seen. I'm trying to be positive.
No, I like that. Stay positive because I'm having a problem here. Oh, well, what do you know?
It's a good-sized bathroom. Principal bedroom. You got a king-size bed in here. That's pretty good, right?
Let's see. Closet.
Hey, look at this. Not bad.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
How long have you guys been in this house? And, more importantly, when did it stop working for you?
So we've been in the house 12 years. I think it just hit a tipping point. As the kids got bigger, the space got smaller, so.
More than small.
I like to call that intimate.
Intimate gets really loud.
Where are you really feeling the constraint?
Our kitchen is very challenging, and it's 2 kitchens in one, because we keep a kosher kitchen.
Yeah.
It's crazy small.
Yeah, there's no flow at all.
Who wants to stay and who wants to go?
Oh, I want to go.
And you want to stay. Okay, good. So we're a team.
Yes, 100%.
So I've done an evaluation on your home, and current value is $785,000.
Okay.
Okay? What is the must-have list to get you out of this house and into the new one? I believe, Kevin, you're going to be giving me that.
Yes. So the must-have list is open concept main floor, and we need a large modern kitchen to accommodate our kosher lifestyle.
Okay.
And we need a main bedroom with ensuite and walk-in closet. In addition to our bedroom, we need 3 bedrooms because we have 3 children. We need an additional full bathroom for the kids, and we need a dining room to host large family gatherings.
Now, you haven't mentioned anything about a location.
So we walk to synagogue. So right now our walk from here to our synagogue is about 15 minutes.
Are you saying a 15-minute walk from your synagogue?
Yes.
What if it's 20 minutes?
I could deal with 20 minutes.
All right. So what is the budget for the new house?
So we have a budget of $1 million.
Okay. Ultimately, I would love to get you into a detached house. So let me see what I can do.
Great.
So tell me what I can do to convince you that this is a house that you could stay in.
I need an open concept main floor with a large kitchen to accommodate a kosher kitchen. We need to renovate our ensuite bathroom, including a shower, update kids' bathroom, renovate the powder room. We need to update the dining room, and we need to expand the mudroom.
All right. What's my budget?
Your budget for all of that work is $135,000.
I love that you said all of that work, because it really is a lot of work. With all of that, it's still a good budget, and I'm convinced that I can make this house work. And when I'm done, you're going to love it.
Okay, we'll see.
Hilary meets with contracting team brothers Mike and Matt to discuss her big plan.
This is our house. My plan is that a new island with sink and dishwasher number 1 will go here. Sink and dishwasher number 2 will go under the window, with the fridge to the left, a new cabinetry and stove on this wall. So, now that this isn't a dining room anymore, I was thinking I could move it somewhere within this space that I have picked up. It's still close to the kitchen, it's not ideal, but I don't know where else to move it. This gets knocked into one. We take away that closet to be able to give them a really good ensuite. Because I'm taking away the walk-in closet, I need to pick that storage up. So I'm going to use this back wall, and it'll just be wall closets all the way along here.
Okay.
And then the bed will have to swing around beyond this wall. Can you please let me know my options?
Yeah.
The main floor is truly the key.
The budget might be good, but like downstairs could be a disaster.
Meanwhile, David has found a house close to the neighborhood he wants Haley and Kevin to see.
This house has 4 bedrooms. It has 3 bathrooms. It's got an ensuite that's bigger than theirs. It has a kitchen that has more counter space. Okay, so let's talk about location.
It's a little far, to be honest.
A little far?
It's a whole lot far.
We're only like 5 or 6 minutes from your house.
By car.
Are you opposed to like driving to
We
the
can't.
synagogue?
It's not
We
an option.
can't drive. It's only walking.
Oh, you're not allowed to?
No.
Not on the Sabbath.
Oh.
Yeah, so we walk. I mean, if the house is amazing, maybe we could see what we could do.
What do you think?
I like it's bright.
I want to know what you think.
It feels small when you walk in, like you feel very compressed here, I think.
Yeah.
So I'm not impressed so far.
I like how it's separated, actually.
So you've got your living room over here, and you've got your dining room over here. How does this feel in terms of space to have people over?
So we do have, you know, sometimes 10 or 12 people.
Yep.
So I'm not sure about space, but I do like the light coming in.
The main bedroom. Spacious, beautiful window, lots of natural light coming in.
Tile's a little,
It's a little on the funky side.
Yeah.
I mean, compared to what you currently have, this is palatial.
It's definitely better than our bathroom currently in our room. But again,
Yes.
I don't think it's exactly what we're looking for.
The new furnace is installed to keep the house warm while work continues. But severe delays in obtaining permits for the main floor work have Hilary's team focusing on the second floor. Meanwhile, David's hunt is full steam ahead.
The main reason we are here is because it's a 20-minute walk to their synagogue. It's got 4 bedrooms, it's got 4 washrooms, it has a nice semi-open concept main floor. It has a finished basement with a little kitchen in it, a bedroom, a living space, and a bathroom. Okay, come on in. What do you think?
it looks great so far.
Yeah, I have to say I like it.
That's great.
Good start.
So, front hall closet, and we move into your living room, dining room combination.
This is great.
So you've got your family room, you've got your dining room. Do you have a kosher kitchen?
Oh my goodness.
That's the question.
This kitchen is great. Look at all this counter space. I'm actually speechless with this amount of space.
I definitely like it. I like that it's not cookie cutter, like there's lots, goes up,
Yep.
goes down. I like that stuff.
There's a lot of character in this house. It's really nice.
See, not only do you have the living room, you've also got a beautiful sort of sunken family room. Your kids are gonna love that space. What do you think this house is listed at?
So I would say $1.2 million.
What do you think?
I would say $1.15 million.
This house is listed at $1.2 million.
There you go.
Okay, we're finally on our way.
The fun begins.
Hilary and her team are full steam ahead.
All right, the main reason we are looking at this house today is because of where it is. It's 5 minutes from their synagogue, and it is in a beautiful area. It's got the 4 bedrooms, it's got 4 bathrooms, it's got a semi-open concept main floor, it's got a fully finished basement with a little kitchen in it. All right.
Little tight, David.
It is a little tight.
Yeah.
Your living room, dining room combination, hardwood floors.
I like this space.
I think I have a pretty good idea of how you both feel about this house.
I think you really won on location. It's super close to where we need to be.
Yep.
But this house would not make me move from my original house.
What do you think this house is listed at?
$895,000.
What do you think?
$1.1 million.
This house is listed at $1 million.
Wow.
It's just tough because there's not a lot for sale. So I'm trying to think of, you know, where to go from here.
The big day's here.
Yes.
Yes.
Exciting?
Very exciting.
Yes, very excited.
Okay, perfect.
Oh. Wow.
Wow. No way. This is not our house.
No, it looks totally different.
Totally not our house. It's stunning.
So this is your pantry wall.
Wow.
Wow.
We'll look at that in a minute,
Okay.
but I want you to come
Wow. You're gonna want to see this. Holy cow.
And we made these choices to have this kosher life and this kosher home, and it was really hard to do before because everything was always on top of each other.
in.
And
I don't know how you did it, but you don't have to anymore.
never again.
All your pots and pans have storage. Look at the drawer systems.
Wow.
That's a
You
good
have
solution.
different prep areas. You have your 2 pantries so that you can store everything separately. Everything is just duplicated.
Wow.
So you can embrace this kosher lifestyle that you chose.
I got nothing to say here. This is amazing.
Wow.
It is a wow
Yeah.
because of how we've maneuvered walls and structure to give you what you need.
Lots of amazing meals are gonna happen here, so.
Well, the whole thing is about gathering.
Oh my goodness.
It's completely different.
It wasn't a large space, but you've got a king-size bed. You've got these lovely reading lights.
Yep.
Look at the closet system now.
Yeah, we got to see this.
Oh, this is so good. It's like double. There's so
that's
much
good.
space in here.
Yeah, yeah.
And then again, you've still got loads of drawers.
They open and they don't
No.
hit the bed.
It's fancy.
Genius.
Fancy.
You have your own sink. You have storage.
I'm like totally shocked.
Yeah, that's amazing.
She really did a good job.
She definitely did.
She did an incredible job.
I'll give her that.
However, I still believe there are some reasons why the other house makes more sense. It is a fully detached house with a 2-car attached garage with access to the house. You've got a beautiful open foyer, and then you walk up to that beautiful living room, that good connection with the kitchen, which, listen, you both loved.
Yes, absolutely. Sure. It was a great kitchen.
Yep. You now have a living room and a family room, and off that family room, multi-tier decking, saltwater pool.
Yes, that backyard was so good.
Plus, a completely finished basement with a kitchenette, a bedroom, and a living space. And 20-minute walk to the synagogue.
The pre-renovation value of this home was $785,000. With a final renovation budget of $140,000, the value of this home is now $985,000. That's an increase in value of $200,000.
Okay, so decision made?
Yeah, decision made.
Yeah.
It was not easy.
And are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We are going to.
Love it.
We're gonna love it.
Yes.
What about your parents? Don't they need an in-law suite?
When the time comes, we'll have the budget to make them a space in the basement here.
It was not an easy decision, but we couldn't give this up. This is.
Yeah, you did a fantastic job.
Such a good job. So thank you.
I am
much.
so pleased. I really am. I mean, it did sound amazing to have all of the
It did.
extras that David found you, but this is still home, right?
Yeah, at the end of the
This
day.
is absolutely on.
Yeah.
Have a wonderful family gathering in your new space.